Hi guys, so this is about the IPTV box, which IPTV box is good and which IPTV box is fast. As you guys know, like there are so many TV boxes in the market right now. Mag boxes, which is made for mainly for old people. There are Formula boxes, there are Sword boxes, Aceroid Sword boxes, and you can also use the IPTV on Fire Stick as well, even on the smart TVs as well. Out of all of them, I am going to talk about the Aceroid Sword box. It's a really good box. It has 4K quality, and these are the features. You can have a look, and it's a 5G box. So if you want, you can also use YouTube here, Netflix, everything. All you need to do is connect with the Wi-Fi. It's connected, and click this app. So you just need to click on this app, TV on air. That's it. It will start working. Now, so this is the remote. Click this button, left key. You will get the list of all the channels. You can scroll down. When you will click this key again, left key again, this is the categories. Okay. So again, left key for the list, left key for the categories. So you can scroll English, kids, all the sports, all the pay-per-views are free, all the sports are free, like Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, or whatever language you need. Everything will be included. So it has more than 30,000 plus channels, and so this is gonna be the channels part. So the best thing is in this we can also search the channel. This is the search button here, magnifying glass. Just click the search button. Now I want to watch TSN. TSN. It's here. So this is the English Canada. So I should go to all, and if I select TSN again, so it will bring all the TSN channels. TSN. So TSN 1 4K. So all of the TSN channels are here. So Sportsnet is coming here as well, because like there's TSN is in the Sportsnet as well, TSN. So it will just search all the channels. Other best feature is the guide part. There's a guide button. Click the guide button. So this is the guide of all the channels, like what is playing right now. You can also see what's gonna play next in another 3 hours. And the main thing is with this box, you can also go 5 days back in any live channel. So for example, if I want to watch, I missed a game yesterday on 20th January, okay? I click 20th January. It will load the data for 20th January, and I can watch this game. It's a 60 minutes recording. Just click this, and it will bring the recording. And we can also fast forward this with this button. It's a recording. We can play it anytime. We can go 5 days back in any live channel. Let's play from here. Okay, that's it. If we want to get out of the recording, press this exit button. Exit. You want to go to live channel? Okay. And we are back to live channel. The other main thing is the video on demand part. Like all the movies, all the TV shows will be included. Click this 3 lines button. TV is for live TV. All the live TV channels that exist in this world will be here. VOD is for the video on demand. Click VOD. So all the movies, all the TV shows, everything is here. You don't need to pay for Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Crave, HBO, Disney Plus, anything else. So let's do this. Go to all, and there's a search button. Click the search button. I'm watching Stranger Things on Netflix. STRANGE. Let's search strangers. It should be here. Where is it? Oh, Doctor Strange is here. That's good. Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange. Okay, let's search the full Stranger Things. Stranger, space, TH. It should come here now. Oh, we got it. Stranger Things. So we have all the information, all the seasons. Like, select episode. All these episodes. Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4. Select episode. Let's play episode 4. It's 4K quality, and the best thing is it never freezes. We can fast forward it at any time. Perfect. And we can go back as well. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team as well anytime on WhatsApp. You can call me at any time. You can email me at any time. And there's also one support channel as well, channel number 2. So you can also go yourfeedback.cc as well, and support will help you within 24 hours. And if you want quick support, text us on WhatsApp.
Please subscribe our channel and like our video if you like it. Thanks.